Hello pool players, I'm going to go ahead and try to break and run out this 9-ball pattern, but I want to first of all show you something that's very important. If you want to run out 9-ball, in my opinion, this is the best way to rack. It is a pattern rack situation. Put the 1 in the front, the 5 and 6 on the second row, and then beside your 9-ball, you're going to want to put the 3 and the 4, and then the 7 and the 8 on the back 2, and then the 2-ball at the very back of the rack. The reason I like this is, and little Chris actually experimented with this for a lot, and he discovered that the 1, 2, 3 are typically within range of each other, connected. So let's see if we can see that happen. And the other thing is too, what I'm going to show you is how I break on my table as well as on a 7-foot diamond. It's a low left draw cut break. And I like it. It leaves me usually a good look at the opening shot. The reason is because the cue ball comes to the side rail and back this way, and it doesn't typically get kicked, okay, into the side pockets or whatever, and it doesn't get snookered. I usually have a good look at the opening shot, but let's see. The low left, draw cut break. Let's see where the 1, 2, and 3 go since it's already pattern racked. Well, the 1, 2 are together. The 3 did go down. Looks like I've got a combo here. First shot. It's pretty lined up. Dead straight, actually. So I should. I'm looking at how I want to get that 2-ball, or that 1-ball. I'm going to follow here, and hopefully I'll have a look at that 1 after. And I did. Got to pay attention to where that cue ball is going to go in relationship to the 1. Okay, here, the 2, the 4 is next. So I want to try to get straight in if I can get on that. I'm going to have to hit this with a little bit of stun. That gave me that straight in. So now I'm pretty good shape. The stop shot will give me my roll down towards the 5. So that's how you do it. That was the first rack of the day. I feel good about that. I've got a person coming over here at 3 o'clock. Super hot out right now in Michigan, man. 90 degrees and super humid. Nice in here though, central air. But anyway, I'll be working with her. Been working with her for a couple of years. See if we can get some good headway going on her game today. Anyway, I appreciate your support. I'll keep you posted on those comments, and hopefully we can get by that and I can stay engaged with all of you. Thanks for watching. Hey, and watch this video as well if you want to see another great tutorial, and share this video. And until next time, like I always say, keep on practicing.